Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas Fletcher and I'm the host of the LCSW network. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor by smashing that like button, by subscribing to the channel, and by sharing this video with your social work colleagues and friends. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of hope and support, where social workers can come for relevant news, information, and inspiration. Well, welcome back to Self-Care Saturday. Welcome back to Season 3, Episode 42 of our Self-Care Saturday series. So we are continuing to review excerpts from my book, Self-Care Tips for Social Workers and Other Licensed Mental Health Professionals, now available on Amazon in paperback and Kindle formats. So in today's show, we are reviewing an excerpt from Chapter 36, which is the Daily Maintenance Plan. So for those of you that have been following this series every week, we started talking about the Wellness Recovery Action Plan in previous weeks. Previous weeks we talked about an introduction. We reviewed a chapter on the introduction to the Wellness Recovery Action Plan. And last week we reviewed the chapter on the Wellness Toolbox. So we are continuing to discuss the different parts of the Wellness Recovery Action Plan. So in today's chapter, Chapter 36, we're reviewing the Daily Maintenance Plan. So the Daily Maintenance Plan is a component of the Wellness Recovery Action Plan, which is one of the 4 parts of the study of mental health recovery that was developed by Mary Ellen Copeland and her peers. So in this video, we talk about the importance of creating and using a daily maintenance plan as a method of self-care. So a daily maintenance plan has 3 parts to it. In the first part, we make a list of words that describe what you were like when you were doing well and review this list daily, especially on the days when you are not feeling well. In the second part of the daily maintenance plan, we make a wellness toolbox, or we utilize our wellness toolbox. Again, the wellness tools are a list of things that are safe, simple, inexpensive, or free that you can use to feel better and to maintain your wellness. So with this second part of the daily maintenance plan, we are going to utilize wellness tools that we're going to use wellness tools that we need to do on a daily basis to maintain our wellness and our self-care. And then the third part of the daily maintenance list is we're going to utilize wellness tools that we may need to do on any day, on any type of routine basis for the maintenance of our wellness and our self-care. Okay? So that's that's a overview of the daily maintenance plan. So let me go a little bit more in depth. So again, the daily maintenance plan consists of 3 lists that you can use to improve and enhance your wellness. In the first list, you will describe what you are like when you are well. I like to think of this list as my list of personal character strengths, or what makes me strong. In the second part of the daily maintenance plan, we make a list of wellness tools that we need to use for ourselves every day to feel and stay well. In the third part of the daily maintenance plan, we make a reminder list of wellness tools that we can use on any given day. We may not need to use these every day, but if we don't use them, it may cause us some stress. So again, the daily maintenance plan is part of the Wellness Recovery Action Plan that was developed by Mary Ellen Copeland, PhD, and is taught by the Copeland Center for Wellness and Recovery. As someone who's been teaching, facilitating, and utilizing a daily maintenance plan for the past 6 years, over 6 years now, I have to tell you that it has been transformative and a game changer for me. So let me tell you how I utilize my daily maintenance plan. Starting with the first part of my daily maintenance plan, the list of what am I like when I'm well. I review this list every morning after I wake up. And now it has become, in a previous video, I talked about the importance of positive self-affirmations. So I have turned my list of what am I like when I'm well into a daily list of positive self-affirmations. The second part of my daily maintenance plan are my wellness tools that I need to do every day for myself. Some examples that are part of my second part of my daily maintenance plan are taking medications, physical exercise, reaching out to supporters, talking and listening to others, having fun, and just doing joyful things in my day. The third part of my daily maintenance plan is the reminder list of things that I might not do every day, but things that are both enjoyable as well as things that need to get done. Such as paying the bills may not be the most enjoyable thing, but if you didn't do them, it would cause a whole lot of stress. So the daily maintenance plan is so important for us as licensed mental health professionals, as social workers. We have to do a daily maintenance plan to sustain us and keep ourselves well while we are providing all of this great clinical care to our clients, as well as while we are being supportive to our family members and our friends. If we are not supporting ourselves with these daily maintenance plans, we will not be effective for our clients, nor will we be able to be supportive to family members, to our friends, or to our neighbors. So I invite you all to start utilizing and creating and supporting yourselves with a daily maintenance plan. I have left a link to the daily maintenance plan in the description box of the original video that I filmed last year. So at the end of this video, I will leave a link to that video. And if you buy the book, you will also find a link to the public domain version of the Wellness Recovery Action Plan, which is the action plan for prevention and recovery. All right, so I'm going to stop there, but again, I want to thank you all. Thank you all for watching this video. For all the social workers and other licensed mental health professionals, thank you for the work that you do every day, for your clients, for your agency, and for the profession. Please continue to support each other and yourselves. Bye for now.